Hello, today's lesson is on factoring x squared plus bx plus c. So yes, in the last lesson we talked about factored form, so that's what we're going to be seeing. So we have this x squared plus bx plus c equation, and what we're telling you is that it's equivalent to x plus p times the quantity x plus q. And p and q, whatever numbers they are, they have to add up to our b value. So it says here p plus q equals b. Additionally, these two numbers have to multiply to that c value here. So we're going to use that fact to help us answer these questions, right? So for this next one, I've got x squared plus 2x minus 24. And so my b value is 2, and my c value is negative 24. So I have to find what multiplies to negative 24. So, right, you got to think of your factors of negative 24 that add to 2. So, like 1 and negative 24, those are factors of negative 24, but they don't add to 2. 2 and negative 12, again, but they don't add to 2. So, we got to think what numbers. Well, 4 and 6 multiplied 24, which one of them is going to have to be a negative number so that when you add them, you get a positive 2. Well, negative 4 times 6 is negative 24, and negative 4 plus 6 is positive 2. So those are my two factors, P and Q, and you could put them in any order. This could have been x plus 6 times x minus 4. That would have been absolutely correct. So that's your answer in factored form. X minus 4 times x plus 6. Done. Number 3, or whatever number that is, I have x plus 8x plus 16. Again, I'm thinking what adds to 8 and multiplies to 16. Both positive, so both of these are going to be positive. What plus what is 8, and what times what is 16? Well, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 times 4 is 16. So this is one of those cases where it's x plus 4 times the same thing, x plus 4. That could be written as x plus 4 squared, just so you see that, and that would be my final answer. Okay, well, not only are we going to have to factor using these steps, but we're going to actually also have to solve. So say you have x squared minus 3x equal 28. Well, in order for us to solve like we've done before, you have to solve for 0, meaning have it equal 0. So how do I get this side to equal 0? I subtract 28 from both sides, and I get 0. 28 minus 28 is 0, and on the other side, x squared minus 3x minus 28 is x squared minus 3x minus 28. Then I'm in this like trinomial form here. I've got to factor. So when I factor, I've got to find what adds to negative 3 and multiplies to negative 28. So you really just got to look at your factors, right? Look at negative 28 and think what multiplies that adds to negative 3. So what it comes down to is, well, I know 7 and 4 multiplied 28, and they're a difference of 3. So which is, it's negative, so I need more negatives. So it's got to be negative 7 and positive 4. There's nothing you can do there. You just got to think about it. What multiplies to negative 28 and adds to negative 3? I'm going to move this closer so you can see that a little better. What adds to negative 3 and multiplies to negative 28? Negative 7 and 4, so you put it in factored form. X minus 7 times x plus 4 equals 0. And then we've done this already where we separate into a equaling 0 or b equaling 0. And then you have x minus 7 equals 0, or, that's an or. X plus 4 equals 0. Add 7, you get 7. Subtract 4, you get negative 4. So your two solutions are 7 or negative 4. And that's your answer.